got the plastics from Scrub Designs. That shit is in I don't even want to say it because I'm gonna mess it up, but somewhere it say made in Italy, so I don't know. Maybe it's in Italy. I don't know that. I don't know. But here we go. This the unboxing. Side coming. Got some custom made shit. The front number plate. Oh yeah, you see them flakes. Probably can't see it on camera. Right there. Oh, that's the side. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, that's in her. Now you gonna see it in the sun? You can see it? Oh yeah, this bitch about to be hugged. Yamaha. Alright, yeah. Said I ain't gonna take out every piece. I'm just gonna show you once I put this shit on the bike. Alright, yeah. Better say something. Got some stickers. Alright, I'm gonna put it on the bike and then I'll be back right after. Alright y'all, finally got all the original plastic off. I know this motherfucker dirty. I ain't got all my right tools with me, so bear with me. But we ready to put the new plastic on from Scrub Designs.
Shout out Scrub Designs.
Right back at you. Look, I had to find a hose and at least hose this motherfucker down son. This shit was too dirty, but shit, this the best I can do. Had to work with what I got. This shit gonna have to get scrubbed and pressure washed. I don't even have none of my solution with me, nothing. So it is what it is. Let's get back to it. Hey man, we all finished. I ain't gonna lie. It took me like 3 hours, man. I ain't even gonna lie. So like the scrubs, it's not like a what's the word? It's not a direct fit. So we had to make some shit shake. That's what took me so long, but yeah, this is the finished product. I'm gonna start this right now. You wanna stop?
Yeah. How many tries you think it's gonna take to stop? You think you're gonna get it on first kick?